The question says the total spin resulting from a d7 configuration, d7 orbital is given there, in which how many electrons are there? Total 7 electrons are there. We can draw orbital notation. In d subcell, how many orbitals are there? 5 orbitals are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are there. Okay, we have d7 is there. We can fill the electrons. Follow Hund's rule. Singly fill, first spin, second spin, third spin, fourth spin, fifth spin, and then we have sixth spin. This is what seventh spin is there. This is how we fill the electrons following Hund's rule. Okay, the spin which are going upward direction, okay, so you can see we consider they are doing the clockwise, spinning a clockwise rotation, and their value is taken positive half. Their value is taken positive half. And the spin which are going downward direction, we consider they are doing anti-clockwise rotation, and for the downward spin we take negative half. Always keep in mind, we take negative half. Okay, so first of all we can calculate a total number of spin which are moving upward direction, and then we can have that number of spin which are moving downward direction. Okay, so we have a spin going upward direction 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is 5 is there, and each spin value is what? 1 by 2. So we have 5 multiplied by 1 by 2 is there, positive we can say. Okay, because each spin value is what? Plus half is there. Total number of spin going upward direction is 5. So we have 5 multiplied by plus half. Okay, and then we have we can add, because total spin, it is asking total spin of resulting. Okay, now you can see number of spin going downward direction. This is the first spin going out downward direction. This is the second spin going downward direction. The total number of spin we are getting only 2. So 2 multiplied by each spin value is what? Taken minus half is taken. Minus half is there. Now we can add. So we get plus 5 by 2, and in this case we can mention minus 2 by 2 is there. Minus 2 by 2. Now we can see we can write it 5 minus 2 but divided by 2. Ultimately we are getting plus 3 by 2 is there. Okay, 3 by 2. Any option you can see, option A is correct. Total spin resulting from a D7 configuration will be 3 by 2. Okay, always keep in mind spin going upward direction will have plus half, spin going downward direction will have minus half value. Option A is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.